Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. Once upon a time, he was just another Jamaican boy from modest beginnings. But today, they say he is the richest prime minister in Jamaica's history. How did this transformation happen? From wooden shacks and simple living to red sports car, lavish mansions and piles of cash. Today, we pull back the curtain on Andrew Holness' journey and expose the truth behind his staggering rise to power and wealth. Stay tuned because what you're about to see will shock the nation. Andrew Holness didn't grow up surrounded by luxury. Like many Jamaicans, his childhood was marked by hard work, struggle, and resilience. Raised in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, his family wasn't wealthy. Neighbors remember a young boy helping around the home, studying hard, dreaming of a better life. Never imagined that one day he'd lead the country. But power has a way of transforming people. And for Holness, this transformation is like none other in Jamaican political history. In the early 1990s, Holness entered politics with big ambitions. By 2011, he became Jamaica's youngest ever prime minister. Supporters praise him as a man of integrity, someone who understood the struggles of ordinary Jamaicans. But behind the public speeches and political promises, his financial trajectory began to shift dramatically. As Prime Minister, Holness made bold economic decisions, navigated turbulent political waters, and consolidated his grip on leadership. And with that leadership came access to immense wealth and influence. Fast forward to today, Holness is no longer just a politician. He's seen as Jamaica's wealthiest prime minister in history. Reports of multi-million dollar properties, luxury cars parked in lavish driveways, and rumors of offshore investments have sparked controversy. Critics question, how can a man who once lived modestly now command such wealth while in public office? Supporters argue that his financial success is the result of strategic investments and legitimate earnings. But the optics tell a different story. From dust to rural beginnings to multi-million dollar estates, the transformation is impossible to ignore. On the streets of Kingston, taxi drivers, shopkeepers, and university students are all asking the same question. Has Holness used political power to become rich, while ordinary Jamaicans still struggle to put food on the table? Social media is ablaze with photos comparing the then now of Holness' lifestyle. Old wooden houses one side, luxury mansions and stacks of cash on the other. Calls for transparency and accountability grow louder every day. Some demand an investigation into the source of his fortune. Yet, despite criticism, Holness maintains his position as the country's most powerful leader, unshaken by controversy. Not everyone sees Holness' wealth as a scandal. Loyal supporters defend him fiercely. They argue that Holness is an example of success through hard work, that his journey from humble beginnings should inspire every Jamaican to dream big. Some say, why tear down a man for building a better life? They believe accusations of corruption are politically motivated attacks meant to tarnish his legacy. At the heart of this drama lies a deeper question. Can Jamaica's leaders truly serve the people while amassing extraordinary wealth? Is it possible to rise to the top in politics without becoming part of a system that rewards power with riches? The contrast between Jamaica's poor communities and its wealthy politicians is starker than ever, and the Holness story has become a symbol of that divide. From barefoot childhood to billion-dollar mansions, and Holness' journey is as dramatic as it is controversial. To some, he's proof that hard work pays off. To others, he's the embodiment of political greed. One thing is certain, Holness' wealth has sparked a conversation that Jamaica cannot ignore. Because when leaders rise this high, the people demand answers. And until the truth is fully revealed, the nation will continue to ask, is this the story of success or corruption exposed?